How to download Loom videos, whether you're downloading from your own account, which they don't let you do anymore if it's free, or from places that are embedded along the web. Along the web? That doesn't make sense. Anyways, this is how you set up and install this. Step 1, star the repository if you're a nice person. Step 2, you're going to download the latest version from the releases area. It's always the same place, and you'll see the most recent release right there. Just get the zip folder. You're going to double click the zip file on your computer to unzip it, in case you didn't know that already. Kind of like that. Then you're going to put this into Chrome over here, and it's going to take you to your extensions area. Next, you're going to click on this Load Unpacked button, and you're going to go find the folder that you just unzipped. That was actually not the one I unzipped. Doesn't really matter though. That's what you do. You select it, you click enter, and then boom, you see it right here. If you don't have this information here, just make sure you click on this developer mode toggle. Yeah, there you go. Now, the first time you do it, you're going to be able to click on this little puzzle piece thing, and you can pin it up here to your extensions like any other extension. And then you're basically ready to use it. It's just the first time you use it, you're going to have to enter your email and your license key, whatever that may be, which I guess I'll do right now. Once you've done that, simply navigate to a page where there's a Loom video, click the extension, and you can see that it has populated the information for this video, and you can just click download, and it will download to whatever your default download directory is on your computer. Some of these download as MP4s, which you can just go ahead and play. Others download as, well, maybe let's see if this one does it. WebM files, like this. If you get a WebM file, don't freak out. It's just another type of video file. How do you play it? Just double click it.
Hi there, hope everyone's having a great day. Wanted to briefly introduce myself. My name is Lila Nielsen, and I work.
So WebM files can play in a lot of different programs, but they can always play in browsers. So if you just go ahead and drop it on a browser,
Hi there,
download Loom videos from wherever, from whenever, just like Shakira.